Okay, so we're hiking this trail. The trail we want's over there. I've hiked it before, but I didn't go far enough, it turns out. There might be a more modern mine over there. Of course, we've seen these ruins before.
Hello!
Is there anything in it?
There's just another hole.
What about this?
Make a bridge?
Yeah. We gotta get across the water, that's the problem here. And it's a little chilly. So we're not trying to get too soaked yet.
Oh, nope. We are trying to find a way across this without getting soaked. And that tree might be it. Yeah, what could go wrong?
We can scoot across this one or get a stick and use it as balance to cross that one. I don't know.
Both would work.
I crossed here, but I have waders.
That's a longer jump than I thought. Right there might be our best bet.
Yeah. It's the only problem, we have to pick the stick up.
If you have to, drop to your butt. Don't go in the water.
Yeah. It's not easy to do with a pack on. I'm gonna throw it back to you.
Nice. All right.
That's a, the pack throws you off. Honestly, the stick is like, it's how you do it.
Yeah.
You just don't lift it up too much. Keep it on the ground.
I think I'm gonna have a different approach. Oh, that current's actually going.
A lot of water coming through. It's trickier than it looks.
Yeah. Well, you put the stick in the water and the stick just wants to get away from you.
Oh, and it's snowing. Not exactly sure why it's snowing, but it is.
I do. Ask me.
Why is it snowing?
Because it's cold and Mother Nature hates us.
Yeah, I don't know what this was. You guys have seen this before in the wet video. Yeah, no idea. Still don't know.
Still holding out.
Yeah. Okay, so I've hiked this trail before. I just didn't go far enough. I found, and I'll show the picture to you on the screen. In 2007, there was apparently something going on back here. The low resolution of the satellite images in 2007 though, I couldn't tell what it was. But there was a lot of concentrated activity. And if you remember, those ruins that went across the creek down here that I did not follow, they led right to it. So, something might be there. I'm hoping it's a mine, that's all that means. Okay, so the last time I was on this trail, right here is where I stopped. So everything past this, haven't seen yet. This road hasn't been used in a very long time. But it was a big deal, obviously.
So how much uphill is it gonna be?
It shouldn't be much, it should just go around.
Because I saw that one video. That was awful.
Oh, the Punisher Mountain?
Yeah.
A little bit rough.
He has a tendency, guys, to not tell me sometimes. Then I get out here, I start having a stroke.
Yeah, Punisher Mountain's a little rough.
Pretty place. Tent. Fallen, whatever it is. You see it?
Yeah, something. Yeah, that's a tent.
If it was a tent, they did ground camping. Because see how low the stakes are?
Yeah.
Or it could have been a meth lab. Because I run up on them before and it's similar.
I mean, it is Eastern Tennessee.
Yeah. Let me look over the hill. We'll know if there's a bunch of dumped bleach bottles.
Speaking of bleach bottles, the abandoned warehouse
Yeah.
that had all the bleach.
Oh, next to the coal in place and the
Yeah,
stairs in the woods.
yeah. I didn't think about that till you just said that.
Sprite can. Yeah, that was a ground tent. I've ran up on them before and like riding four-wheelers and stuff.
We're supposed to be going that way, but we saw this sign up here. Didn't know what that was for. Dougherty Petroleum. Oh, it's a gas tap. The big one. Yeah, it's old. Not active. Just natural gas tap.
Hey everybody, here's a quick update. We're still walking. Full gas line.
Dougherty Petroleum, same thing. We're there.
So it was a big gas line.
Nah, there's no way it's that.
We can't find anything. Just kind of nothing here.
If the ruins at the railroad weren't for this, which they clearly were not, then whatever they're for, if we take this creek down here, back down the road, we're liable to run into it. Okay, so whatever that was, I have no idea. So we're gonna follow this down because I think the ruins that I saw coming from the railroad track, whatever they were servicing, maybe we'll meet up with it. That's the idea anyway, but whatever this was, I have no idea. I don't know why you need that much stuff to service a gas tap. It could have just been that the satellite was overhead just at the right time as they were drilling it, I guess. Coincidental. Okay, so we're now down in the valley at the end towards the creek area. Hopefully we can find the ruins. It's a big waterfall over here. We're gonna go check that out.
That's really neat. Just out in the middle of nowhere.
Seems like this is the road. My question is, where are the ruins and where are they going?
Okay, so there's this, which is weird. It's a stone wall. It's definitely man-made.
Some sort of cable. This could have been a spring. I don't know. This is definitely built.
The tree's grown around the cable.
It's like an antenna or something.
But it went up that way, I think. This is, oh, and it goes down here.
It's in that tree over there too. It was wrapped around this tree a long time ago, whatever it was.
Long time ago, man. And before that, look.
That's barbed wire.
Yeah,
What the freak, dude?
look. This whole thing, dude. It's a wall. What is this?
Is that, what is it, a cellar? That's some heavy duty tin, man.
Hey, Jed.
Yeah.
Furnace.
Yeah, I mean, it could, yeah.
This could be a furnace.
Yeah, it really could.
Glass?
It's an old Coke bottle. Some with the spirals in them.
There's a wall here as well. Clorox?
That is. I think somebody lived here. I think those are flowers, right? Yeah. But look at the way they're laid out. It's like a front wall
Someone planted flowers.
along their sidewalk. I mean, that's pretty 1940s-ish. But that would make sense that the house would be there. Whatever that was behind the house. Furnace or cellar or something.
There's a man-made post.
Fence.
2 of them. Yep.
Yeah.
So this must have been a road.
Yep. Maybe that's what the ruins are. Had nothing to do with coal. Maybe it was an actual bridge. That looks like some kind of corral, man. I don't care who you are. That's freaking old. It was an animal pen.
Yeah, it goes all the way down. Fence just keeps going too. This was a farm.
There's posts laying on the ground. There's posts still in the ground there. These were old homesteads. We're pretty sure now at this point. This was residential. We were looking for coal mines. This is all residential. From the old Fork Ridge, the town that used to be here. This is what's left of it.
Well, alrighty then. Ooh, the master of crossing shall now cross. Please be stable. Please be stable. Made it.
Whatever they were heavy duty.
Every one of these got a steel rebar out the top.
Yeah, so I guess it just could have been an extended bridge.
That would have been the main road for a long time.
That was a railroad.
It was a railroad?
Yeah, 100%. I know that. It's on the map. That's why I was thinking it was some kind of conveyor system. That over there, that flat plane,
Yep.
that's that old railroad that I walked. That's where I saw, because I came in from that side and I saw the 2 pillars and I was like, that's not normal. Okay, we're gonna follow this up, this side, up the old road that was in front of the house. We may see some other stuff along the way.
All right, we are trying to find a way to cross back over. Bound to find somewhere to cross. I believe. See where it gets really narrow?
Oh yeah. Okay, we can't really find a good way across, unfortunately. Might have to walk it. I found a good water stick just in case. Go look back down this way for a second, just to see.
I think I can jump it. I'm gonna try it, dude. Are you just gonna walk it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna walk the shallow spot.
Okay, I'm gonna give you my backpack.
All right.
So that way, if I do go down, all my gear's not, you know, destroyed. All right, guys, the master of crossing has his work cut out for him. I'm gonna attempt to go from here to there to jump this. That's gonna be the hard part. And then to jump to there, and then jump to all those. And Jed's doing the smart thing.
That was cold.
Man, that's a long jump.
You want a stick?
Oh, and they're slick. YOLO.
Woo! Nice.
Center. Yes. You will not defeat me.
Good game, Creek.
When my foot slipped, it didn't get over the waterproofing.
Nice. This is Fork Ridge, by the way. This is the old town of Fork Ridge. You can see some of the ruins still here. I didn't know it was an actual town until I looked at the map. But it is. It wasn't a big one. Anyway, we gotta take a right here. There were 2 big mines in Fork Ridge. They're right up here. See if we can find those real quick. We've tried to find these mines before, but I had the wrong coordinates, so we're gonna try again. Let's see if I can get them right this time. We just found this. Seth just saw it. The question is, what is it?
I'm more thinking what's under it. Almost want to be careful where I step, just in case this goes down.
Yeah.
Nothing.
It's a solid wall, so if it was something, they piled it up there.
This was large. Apparently, Monica loves Johnny in 2023.
Aw. Johnny's in jail.
Johnny's in jail. She cheated on him.
Assault 4th degree.
Yeah, but she still writes him love letters.
Yeah.
Not that we've seen that before.
I don't know what this was. It was reinforced with freaking
Steel.
yeah. Huh. This went underground because when you look at the floor down here, it's formed like that. It didn't fall over.
Hey, you know what?
That means they pile all this crap here.
Dude, it's broken on the same brick level the entire way over.
Yeah,
They broke it on purpose.
looks like it.
Bunch of jerks.
Yeah. Man,
Let us
that's
go
a
in there and risk our own lives. Come on. We're going to do it anyway. It just may not be here.
I need nature to take that apart for me.
I'll take it apart.
Hulk smash. Get down there. Go. I'll see what's under here. Concrete. Water slide. Oh no, I'm not that strong.
Oh, there's definitely something under this. I just can't get to it.
Well, they piled that one up too good. We can't get into it.
I tried. I didn't smash enough.
They pushed dirt all the way up to the ceiling and then some, like packed it in. It's very rude. Don't be rude. Leave mines open.
Ooh. Woo. I don't want to fall in that. Hey, I think I see concrete. I think. Yeah, like that direction. I'll meet you over there. These stone pillars. Yeah.
Giant stone pillars here. They reinforce it with minecart track.
Is that a blocked off mine?
I don't think so. I think it's... looks like it was holding something up.
What the?
Conveyor? Old?
Unless there's something down there.
Because the mines are that way, maybe, right there.
I think we need to definitely go down. Let's do it. Yeah. I'm good. I hit the brakes. I hit the brakes.
And that was a big old bridge. A lot of concrete structures here, whole lot.
Wall, wall, wall. Giant hole.
That was a bridge.
Because you can see the framework on the other side.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, there's something. Jed, up top.
Oh, that's a hole in the mountain.
I got the eyes, baby.
That's a hole straight ahead of us. That
Yeah.
looks like brick. Big brick. This is all man-made. Look at this. This is all routed. Man, they built a lot of stuff here. Man, those are some big stands.
Yeah. Okay, so since they collapsed the old bridge, we're gonna go this way to try and find a way around. Also, this cookies and cream protein bar is delicious. It's the little things, guys. It's the little things. Jed's down there trying to find a way across. I think I'm gonna build a bridge. Yeah, let's build a bridge. Come here, Bertha. Oh, you're heavy. I'm gonna die. This is a terrible idea. Oh, you're really heavy. Ugh. Gotta put this in the right spot. Please work. Don't break, don't break. Okay.
Okay, basically had to wade that. That was not exactly pleasant.
Come back. Come back to me first. No, don't go that way.
This was a railroad right here. Definitely a railroad.
I need better footing. Leverage. Ah, now I'm in the water. Okay, I'm wet. I'm making a bridge. I'm almost there. I'm committed now. I can't stop. Come on.
What is that? It's sealed up, whatever it is. It was a pulley. It went down. Hold up.
The bridge ain't gonna work. Why didn't you work with me? This could have been a good relationship. You blew it. Float on down the river then.
Really should have brought shovel. Whatever it is, I think it's buried. That's a pipe. It's stationary. I don't understand. There's too much dirt. Just covered it up. If I had a shovel, it'd be a different story, but I don't have a shovel.
I was gonna try and jump it. Hope for the best. Okay, that could have been a lot worse. What's it look like?
It goes down. It's really bizarre. See, there's a pulley bar. There's a pipe coming out of it, a bent pipe. But where's the hatch? Is it underneath all the dirt? That pipe is not moving. That's secured to something.
Or maybe it was for air, like an old school air vent.
Very well could have been an air shaft, a big one. I don't know. That right there, down there, yeah. That we thought was a road, that's a railroad.
Oh.
We're losing daylight. Now the race is on to find the mine for the chupacabra gets us. Whoa, yo.
What you got?
Maybe a hole. We can't fit in it, but I don't think that's a mine. What the f I don't know, man. I don't know if that was a mine or not. I mean, it may have been like a ventilation entrance.
Another wall. Let's see what that is.
That's concrete there. I think that was an entrance, dude. Is that sealed?
Yeah.
There's water coming out of it. A lot of water.
Oh, we got something.
Got something?
We got something big. Dude, stick your head in this. Look, cables.
Oh yeah.
This was that old telephone line.
Oh.
It's collapsed, but it looks like it could be passable. See it?
Okay. What's on the other side of it? Dang, look at the size of this. This is like some lynch looking stuff, man. Okay. Obviously we're not doing that today, but man, I think we could get in there. That's a big one, dude. That's a big freaking...
I dropped my pack. I'm just gonna slide my head in real quick. Oh, this is tight. Hand me the 360.
Shine your light here a little bit. Oh, dude. Dude, that's big back in there.
Is it?
Yeah. Tall.
It does open?
Yeah. The fact that it's collapsed is real sketchy, though.
Yeah, but is it like all the way or
I don't know.
just right there?
I guess we'll find out on the next episode of Project Discompliance. Tune in next week when Jed and Seth battle Frieza and Cell.
We're gonna find out.
Yeah.
Look down there at the water, man. You see where my light's shining?
Yeah.
See those lumps?
Yeah. Tracks, right?
Yeah, that's the rail.
Oh, that's
Look, man, look, all the electrical, everything's still there.
There's a lot of air moving in here, too.
Really?
Yeah, there's a breeze.
Yeah, I can feel it. It means it's ventilated.
That's wild. That's not easy to get out of, I'll be honest.
Oh, wow.
There's another entrance down there. There has to be.
This was a big one, dude. We're thinking that where the water cut out that section right there, that's where the rock fell. The rest of it could be in better condition.
Okay, we're losing daylight, but I'm gonna look just a little further. Okay. Oh, Jed. Exhibit A. See the giant concrete thing?
Oh,
hey, before we go any further, Exhibit B.
what was that?
I don't know. Let's find out.
That is a giant concrete. What, that is big. Dude, that is crazy. Where's that? It's a little house. Does it go back?
Sealed.
Look at that thing. Freaking cool looking.
There's all kinds of glass and stuff in there. Check it out.
Dude, that is so old. There's some old bottles in here too, man. Like little milk bottles or something. I think it was explosives. It looks a lot like the one at Concrete Line.
Yeah.
Which is right down the road. Except for the red brick. Like that's different. Okay, we gotta see what big concrete thing is. Then we gotta get back to the car. Hey, there's something else down there. There's more concrete here.
A wall.
This is crazy, man. That's big. Kind of concrete paddock. What in the world, dude? Did it fall over?
Something went down and funneled into here. Coal dust.
Yeah.
It got dumped into this. Dropped straight down. It had wood support on each side so they could build into it. Some of the wood's still here.
I don't know, man. That's bizarre. Never seen one of those. Maybe it used to stay here. I don't know. I don't know what could move that. I don't know about floodwater, man. I don't think so.
No.
Yeah. These are all entrances. I think those are the older entrances, and that concrete one is the newer one. The last one they dug here after they exhausted these. That looks like concrete, man. I don't know.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's an entrance.
All through here.
Definitely. Okay, I love the Appalachians, man, but this water stuff is really getting old. It's just too much water here. We need to export it or something. You hear that? That's weird. I don't know what it was. Grunting loudly. I'm not gonna be taking a live by no godless predator from another world. I'll tell you that.
Is that you?
I heard it too. I don't know.
Stick?
Maybe. Stick.
All right. Anyway, just watch the crossfire.
This is one of the roads from Fork Ridge. I think might see some ruins. Teddy? Nope.
Dude, I don't know. And I don't think you should stand under that. So follow this road or?
Let's cut through the woods. Just found this laying on the ground. Pretty sure that's from Fork Ridge community. Might keep that. I don't know what was in it. Very old. Yeehaw. Okay, well that was a good day. We went long time, a long ways.
Up in the woods. We didn't get abducted by Sasquatch. We did not find the Chupacabra. What's some other weird cryptids?
Winnebagos.
Winnebagos. We didn't see Winnebagos either. But we did find a lot of cool stuff that we're gonna have to come back to. Pretty sketchy stuff. This whole area is sketchy, actually.
Definitely coming back for that mine.
I'm gonna say the thing now.
Yeah, say the thing.
If you guys are seeing this video, we're alive, so
Like,
comment,
subscribe.
bye.